Hey everybody, Joe here. Gonna check out a puzzle today by Belamis, called Breadcrumbs. The rules are normal Stoke rules, that's 1 to 9 in every row, column, and 3 by 3. The grid is partially covered in fog. The first correctly placed digit on each constraint will remove fog from other cells. Each constraint type may contain no repeated digits anywhere in the puzzle. Example, if one cell on a parity line contains a 5, then no other cell on a parity line may contain a 5. Constraints are along a red line, adjacent digits must alternate between odd and even, that is parity. Digits do not repeat in cages, and sum to the small clue in the top left corner if given. Digits and cells separated by a black dot have a 1 to 2 ratio. Pairs of digits equidistant from the center of the lavender zipper line must sum to the digit in the middle of that line, noted by a dot. Digits along a thermometer increase from bulb to tip. A cell with arrows pointing inward must be smaller than all other cells that share its edge, and a digit in a gray square is even. Each listed constraint type appears at least once in the puzzle, so this is even. So we have a run of three cells of Kropke dots. So this has to be a 1, 2, 4, 8. With this being 2 or a 4. There are 9 digits here. These 2. This is an odd and an even. And then these are 2 of one of the other. These are 2 of one of the other. If these were even, then at least that one would have to be even. And one of these would be even. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be all 4 evens. Looking at an even box. If I flip that around, that would be the same thing. So the outside 2 on neither one of these 2 red lines. The middle ones are even. So that's 1, 2, up, and then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have 4 odds. So then this one is the last odd, and then this one and this one are even. And then what does that mean? It means that this did I do this wrong already? What number is this? This would be 4 different digits. This number is this number. Those two are the same number. So it cannot be a 6. It's a 2, 4, or an 8 because it has to be on this line. This cannot be a 2, 4, 8. If this was a 2, 4, 8, this would be a 6, and then that could not be a 6 because it would be on the red line again. So it does not have an 8. And now it does not, that cannot be a 2 or a 4. This cannot be a 2 or a 4. This cannot be a 1. These are different numbers. Both see that. They also are different numbers, so they can't be there. This is this, so that is a 2 or a 4. This digit has to go up here, doesn't it? This digit has to go here. Ah, that digit is a 1. Is that right? This digit right here cannot be on the red line, therefore it has to be here. That is a 1. Oh, nice. So 1 is down here. The lavender are zipper lines, some to the middle, pairs equal distance from the center. Okay, so that is not a 1. So these two sum to that. So that has to be at least a 5. No, it has to be higher than that. It has to be at least a... It has to be higher than 6. 7. It has to be higher than 7 also. If it was a 7, it would have to be a 6-1, 5-2, or 4-3. Both of them are tied up in there. So 8 or 9. I don't think it can be an 8 either. Oh yeah, it could be a 5-3. Could be a 5-3. Let me just mark that. Could be a 3-5. What if it was a 9? Cannot be cannot be an 8-1. Cannot be a 7-2. Could be a 6-3. Cannot be a 5-4. So the 3 is on the row with maybe a 5 or a 6 only. 3, 5, 6. Almost have a combo. Combo wombo. Okay. So this is one of those. 1 is down there somewhere. 6-8 is different than that one. Could be the 6 and go in the middle. Or it could not. This is a 2-4 combo. One, 2, 4. One cannot go on this red line because it's already on a red line. Two, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that one? Doesn't have to be, does it? Don't know what it would matter anyway. Six, 8. if the 3 went down here, I don't know what I'm thinking. This goes up here. Now, does it go... Does it go on the sides, or is it 8? If it did go on the sides, if it was, say, 1 and an even number here and here, the other even number would be there, this would be 9, this would be 3, 6. So this would have to be 8. This would have to be 1, 8, 6, 9. So it could be 3, 6. And this would be 6 up here somewhere. 8 would be up here somewhere. I think that would be okay. But could that be 8 itself? Eight, 6, and this would be 3, 5. I guess that would be okay as well. 1, 2, 4. These are all different digits. So are these. These are all different digits. These 3 digits have to go in here. With what? So this is going to have 2 odds and an even. Plus a mystery number. One, 2, 4. Oh, this cannot be 1, 2, 3, or 4. Is there any importance to that? I don't know. these three have to go up here. These three have to go in there. This one goes there. This 6/8. It definitely has to go down here. But could it be the 8? That would be 6. This would be 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be 6, 7, 9. Possibly. Oh, the 1 goes in there. Sudoku, maybe? Am I needing to do Sudoku? This 6/8 goes here too, doesn't it? Maybe I colored some of these. So, red is red. One of those is red. Two, 4. Going to be the other one. It's also in this row. With 1. I guess that's not very weird. It's kind of hard to see. Skip 1 for now. We'll skip blue for now. Not that that's really any easier, but hey. It happens. So, pink, light pink, light pink, light pink. Everything on a red line can be colored differently. Which is pretty much everything at the moment, I guess. this is different than every other color so far. What in the world do I think about here? If this was 9, that would be 3, 6. And this would be 8. And that would be 6. 6 would go at the top. Which is fine. If that were 9. If this was 8. Oh wait, if this was 9, this would be 3, 6. If that was 8, which would make that 8. If this was 9, this is 3, 6, which would make that 8. If this was 8, however, that would be 6, and this would be 8. Is that right? If this is 9, that has to be 3, 6, 8. If this is 8, that has to be 6, and that has to be 8. And now, that being 8 makes this 6. Nice. Okay, we have a cage with an 8. Can it be... It could be 3 digits. Digits cannot repeat in a cage, right? You're not repeating cages, some to the small clue. So, it could be 3 cells along though. It would have to have a 1 in it if it was 1, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 5. I don't know enough yet, I think. What about this lavender? Oh, did I get all these out of here? Well, 8 goes down here, doesn't it? 1, 8. 1 and 8 for sure, but maybe 9 as well. If 9 does go here though, 9 would have to go there, because 9 would belong on this line. Maybe that's something. Ooh, and 9 would also have to go there. But then that's it, huh? Okay. Oh, this one is not yellow. If this is 8, that's 3, 5. Guess that would be okay. Or 6 could also go there. Do. What about this? If it is... What about these dudes? This has to be at least 5. If it was 5, it would have to be 2, 3. Which I guess is okay. But it does have to be at least 5. For what that is worth. The 8. If it was 3 long, it would have to have 1 in it. It's okay, I think. What else? Where is green? Green is here or here. 6 is a new color. Oh, these 2 colors. Whatever these 2 are, go up here with pink. Right? We only have colors that are on the red line at the moment, yeah? Yellow, green, red, pink. Yes. Let's finish coloring those up. We'll have bright pink, because these numbers are all different. Let's go ahead and do, I guess we'll go ahead and do blue, because that's all that's left. Even though it's hard to see. So pink and brown are gonna go, bright pink and brown, go up there with that, with 8. Just go ahead and mark 8. Now, pink and brown pink, brown, and green are 3 of the 4 colors here. Right. Oh no. Do I have 9 colors already? I suppose I do. Purple, blue, light blue are 3 of the 4 colors there. This can't be 4, can it? No. Like, it's been there for ages. Sorry, everybody. Okay. So is this... So if this was 3 cells long, it would have to have 1, 2, 3 in it. 2 would have to be here though. And this would be 1, 3. Otherwise, it's 1, 5. End of story. But that's because the 2 and the 4 are down there. So if it was 3 cells long, it couldn't go that way, because it would have to have a 2 in it. It would conflict with those. So it would have to turn. This would have to be a 2. This would have to be a 1, 3. Otherwise, it's just 2 long, and then it's 1, 5. Oh. But the other thing that tells me is that the 1 cannot go in this box. So therefore, it has to be 2 digits. So this is either and I don't think it could be 1, 2, 3. Because then it couldn't be 7, 1. couldn't be 6 2, couldn't be 5 3, so no, it cannot. So it is 1 5. It is 1 5, and it's like that. And then now this cannot be 7 1, cannot be 5 3, it is 6 2. Okay, that's nice. Now what's this all about? So this square right here cannot be 1, cannot be 2. Let me just mark down what it can be. It can be 3. It can be 7. It can be 8. It can be 9. I guess that wasn't as spectacular as I thought. Whatever this is cannot have a 3 with it. Therefore it cannot be a 5. So it would have to be with a 2 3 because the 1 is here. What if it was a 6? It would have to be a 4 2. If it was a 7, it cannot be a 7. Oh wait, hold on. Can it be a 7? If this was a 7, it could not be 6 1. It could not be 5 2. It could not be 4 3 because the 3 is there. So that cannot be a 7. Can it be an 8? Cannot be 7 1. They're already here. It cannot be 6 2 because they're both here. And it cannot be a 5 3 because 3 is there. So it cannot be an 8. Okay, what about 9? Oh, I better mark this down. I think I'm gonna get a 2 at the top. But, yeah, I think I might. Alright, so, okay, if this is 6, it has to be a 2 4 in that order. If this is a 9 now, it cannot be 8 1. It could be 2 7. It cannot be 6 3, and it cannot be 5 4. So it is a 2. It remains 6 or 9 though, and 4 or 7 it seems. And this is red or green. Blue isn't there. That could be blue. Oh, but also, if this is 6, that would have to be 8. If this was 9, that would have to be 8. Because if this was 6, this cannot be 9, because this would have to be 3 6. So if that was 6, this would have to be 8. But also, if that was 9, that would have to be 8. And 8 is light pink. And 3 went on here, so it goes with 5. 10. There's been 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Oh, but it cannot be 9, 1. It cannot be 8, 2. It cannot be 6, 4. It could be 7, 3. Can it be 3 digits? It cannot use 1 or 2. 3, 4, 5 is over the limit, so it must be 3, 7. Thermometers. Those are thermometers, aren't they? Or are they arrows? Oh, no. Those are not arrows. Are they? Yeah. Digits along the thermometer, increasing bolt to tip. I don't know which side is which. Okay. There are 6 digits in the thermometers. Is that something? This is blue or something. Okay. Okay. 4 or 7. A multitude of options. Could even be red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. There's left to place there. 6, 7, 9. Not too fascinating, I don't think. What about something I haven't thought of yet? That's all. Because I haven't thought of it yet. What are we doing here? This has to be different than that. Okay. If there was a third thermometer, that might help me a bit more. Oh, but these are different than these. So these go here and here. these go here and here. So there is a 2 and a 6 over here. See what I'm doing? I know that the thermometer has different numbers than this one. It's already in this column. So those 3 are going to be the same 3 there and here. So this I'll have a 1 or a 4 with 3, 5, 7, and 9. Basically, nothing there is overlapping. But then this thermometer then also cannot duplicate there. So it's going to go like that. Right? And then this last bit goes here and here. So this one is going to be a 3 or a 7 right there. That is a 3 or a 7 because it can't be that. 3 or a 7 is not pink. It is purple or brown. Bright pink or brown. So bright pink or brown, one of these is going to be 3 or a 7. Oh no, wait, a 3 and a 7. So that one is a 3 and a 7 as well. So purple, and then one of these. But this one is not. Now what were these? That could make a valid thermometer. Three, 7. Actually, 3 and 7 go up here, don't they? With a 1 or a 4, 2, 6, 6 goes in either, 2, something like that. What else? A 9. Dang. Pink. Oh wait, that is purple. The purple is down here. it's necessary, but whatever. Might be. Blue. Blue was going in what? This thermometer. Dark blue. Still no two is green or red. Is that true? I guess so. What if this was 2, that is 2. I just... something like that. Flippity with the floppity. That's what it does. Does that mean the 6 is gonna... not necessarily. If the 6 goes here, it could go there. That would be a how you doing. Wouldn't that be a fine how do you do? Oh, look here. The 5 does not go there. Pink or brown. One of them is a 3 or a 7. The other 3 or 7 is dark purple, which means 9 is over here, which means this is 5, which means 9 is over here, and 9 is either bright pink or dark brown. Okay. Now where was I? What's left in this column? A 1 is there, a 2 is there. A 3 could be there. Okay, so it could be a 3, could be a 6. What about 8? Look at 8. Where's 8? 8 is right there. Now what's left? 3, 6, 3, 6, 7, 9. Ooh, the 3 can only go there or on the line. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. 3, 6, 7, 9. Oh no. 3, 6, 7. So this is only 6 or 7. This is 3, 6 or 7. Only. I believe that's right. 6, 7, 9. Go across the way. 6, 7, 9 right there. Not too helpful. I don't think, anywhere. Although I'm really trying to. It's this. Oh, does a 6 go here? Is that what I'm getting at? I need to take... let me leave my cursor right here. I need to take a break. I will pause this. I will be right back. Hey yo, I am returned. And I left off about here. I think I just got that the 6 was in this column. And what? There's a 5. Oh, a 5. A 5. A 5 is... 5 is right here, huh? 5 cannot go there. 5 cannot go there. 5 cannot go there. 5 is right there. 5 is down here. A 3. If a 3 goes here, then a 3 goes there. That would be 7, 9. That would be 7. The 2, oh, the 9. The 9 does go up here. In one of those spots, doesn't it? With the 8. That is an 8, 9 pair. One of them, oh yeah, it is pink or brown with light pink. That is accurate. 5 is blue, light blue, light blue, light blue. One is yellow. Yellow. Green. Green has to be here now. And up here. What about... no. Dark blue. What's in one of these? Oh man. That is so hard to see. I could highlight it, I guess. Right. So, 8 is light pink. Light pink. light pink. Is light pink in the thermometer? No. It could be. Light pink cannot be right here specifically, because then it would have to have a 9 on one side of it, and it would block this. So, but I mean, it has so many other options, right? So I'm gonna leave that alone, I think, for the time being. So what is this? What is this color? Or number? Cannot be 1, 2, or 5. That's not much. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay, never mind. This is red or green. What about 9? Nine is here or here. Seems okay. Can this be 4? Sure. What else am I overlooking? We have 1 and 5 in a cage, 2 and 6 in a cage, 3 and 7 in a cage. The pink lavenders, we have 8, 3, 5, 2, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6. A 2 is down here. For what that's worth, probably not much. 2 is along here. A 2 and a 4. A 2 and a 4 is along here and down here, because they are red and green. What about pink and brown? They have to go in here, don't they? Bright pink and brown have to go with green in here. So they're just gonna flip-flop. One of them goes here and here, whether it be bright pink or brown. It could be 3. But still, it's gonna go in this row and one of those. It will be 9, a number. Well, 9, no. What am I thinking? This is dark blue, and then, oh, it's 3 or 7. So it's purple. Yeah. But that's not that interesting, is it? It finishes out that whole column, I suppose, color-wise. And this is what about 9? Or what's the number I don't have here? 3? 3 could go anywhere. 2, 4, 5, 6. 6. So no, it does not go here. 6 does not go there. 6 goes somewhere in there. That's not much. Not that helpful. What am I missing? Three, 7, and 4. This one, whether it be a 1 or a 4, is going to go with the 3 and 7. So this is a 1 or a 4. 2, 6 is going to go with an 8 or a 9. And then the 5 is going to be over here with a 1 or a 4 and an 8 or a 9. Well, the 8 or the 9 the 6 has to go in the middle. Yes. And that gave us the bulb on the other end up there, on the top. So this will be, one of these will be a 2, the other will be an 8 or a 9. But this is also giving us, which one was it? This one. Like that. So it's going to be a 1 or a 4, and then a 5, and then an 8 or a 9. And it has to be a 9. Now that's going to solve that. That gave us another thermometer down here as well. That could still be either one, but this solved this too. This 1, 5. And it also gave us the bulb here. Oh, well, yeah, I mean, that has to go down that way. This is a 8 or a 9. And it has to be an 8. Because we have that whole column now. 2, 6, 8. So this is a 2, 6, 8 as well. Okay. So this is light pink. What is that? That is just not... I guess it could technically still be either. Okay. Much confusion. 6 is dark blue. Dark blue is going... I know, it could be there as well, I suppose. Oh, what is over here then? A 5, a 9, and then a 1 or a 4. It'll be that one. Whatever it ends up being. There'll be a 1 and a 4 in here as well. Can this still be a 9? If this was a 9, 9 would go there. If this was a 6, 6 would go there. If this is a 9, it goes there. If this is a 6, it goes there and there. So this is a 6, 9 only. that interesting? That feels like it should be interesting. A 5 is in one of these. An 8. Oh, what about this thermometer I got? What are we doing with it? We know it's 3 digits long, so it has to have, what numbers are here? 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. But then a 1 or a 4. Well, it has to have a 7. It has to have a 3. And then it has a 1 or a 4. So it goes 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, or 3, 4, 7. Well, let's put them all here. Let's just, let me take this out. 1, 3, 4, 7. So it can go, this cannot be 1, this cannot be 7. Right? I think. If it's yellow, 1 is yellow. Don't think that helps. I don't know which one of these is pink or brown. Interestingly enough. Do we have a... I think I need to think about this more. Do I? If this is 1, then that is 4. And that is 3, 7. That would be 7. Brown would be 3. I'm not sure. If this is 1, or if this is 4, if this is 4, 3 and 7 have to go on here, don't they? Three and 7 have to go on the thermometer. If this is 4 right here, then both of these need to be 1. That would have to be 1 because of thermometer. That would have to be 1 because of row. So that is a 3. Okay. It doesn't necessarily mean that 3 is here though. Wowzers. What about if this is 1 then? If this is 1, then again both of those would have to be 4. So that cannot be. And this cannot be 4, 3, 7. Or wait a minute. Yeah. That cannot be 4. Because it can't be 1, 3, 4. So this has to be 7. And then this is 1 or 4. This is now 9. This is now a number. This, I got another gray box, which it'll be different than this one, but that only means that I have no idea what it is yet, except it is not 8, but it is even. So this can't be 4, that is 1. And now 1 cannot go on the thermometer, so it goes there, and then it goes there, and 1 is yellow, I do not feel like I went about this in an efficient manner, with these colors being all over the place. What do we have on this yellow, on this pink? Oh, this is gonna be, it's gonna be a 5, isn't it? This has to be a zipper line. So is it gonna be, can it be a 5? Oh wait. Oh, it's another 8. Those two are going to equal 8. Or, it might go some other way. This plus some digit, maybe here. I mean, it could branch off wherever, I guess. Oh. It's gonna be a 3. No. It doesn't look like it goes there. Does it? Don't think so. See how you can kind of see the pink going into the corner? I don't think that it goes there. So it's not going up that way. It may be going up there. As in this could be a 2 and a 6, perhaps. But it could not be going that way. It could not be going... It could be going here to a 1 and here to a 7. I don't know. I reckon it's going up to a 2 and then a 6 there. I don't know that for sure though. It's definitely not a 9 though, is it? Let's go on that basis. So now that's a 1, 9. Now 1, 9 is going to make the 9 there, which is also going to make the 9 there. And that's going to be a 6 now, and that's going to be a 6. Now the 6 is going to go in there, and this is going to be a 2. There we go. That has to be an 8 now, I think. Once I can read here. There's an 8, that is a 2. And do some colors here. 8 is that one. 2, I'm not sure yet. 6 is blue. I'm still not sure what... Oh, 9 is pink. So get that brown out of there. And put brown in there. So brown is going down here. And then 9 is pink. Very bright. What color more as we go? I'm sure I missed a few there. Okay. Oh, 2. No, that could still be 4. I've only got 1 gray square. Well, I've got 2, but one other one, I should say. 8. 2, 6, 8. 1, 3, 7. So 1 goes with these guys. Not in the middle. 1 through 7. So this is 4. Nice. This is 1. 1 is yellow. 2 is a color of some sorts. 4 is red or green. Well, how about that? So is 2. Brown and yellow. Not that I needed to color it, said I wanted to color it. Haha. Pink, blue, and red or green. This is pink though. I don't know what I'm looking at that for. It's already numbered. This is light blue. And that is green or red. A 9 has to be up here. Oh, this is 4, huh? It has to equal the 6 there. Four is in one of these now. This cannot be green because it's these. Yeah, that's right. Because 2 and 4 are both looking at it. so that cannot be green. So this is green. That is a combo. This is going to be a 3-7. And it's going to be brown. All that's left. Rather, 5 is blue, 1 is yellow. This is going to be red and green, so this is going to be brown and what, purple? Brown and purple. What color is dark purple? Oh, it's going to be a 3-7 combo. Right. Okay. Now what? Nate goes here. Red also goes here. Red with 8. Wow, this is one crazy puzzle. It's nice. It's very difficult. Oh, see, if this pink goes over, that could still be 7. 7-1. But it could still be... Oh. Maybe it can't be 6 anymore. Because I don't think it goes that way. I don't know though, it being pink, I might just not be able to see it. I don't think it's there. So I don't think this is 6 anymore. Because there's no 2 that can be touched. Except for there. And it doesn't go that way. So I'm gonna say that this is not 6. So I think this has to be 7. This has to be 6. That is now dark blue. And that is now purple. This is gonna have a 6 with it, and one of those. Those are not gonna be, alright, those are 2, 4, and 6. This one and this one. Why are those all of a sudden looking, this is not a 4. So this is. And I don't quite get that. So I do believe this pink will go over there. Or I guess it could go down here. Maybe. We shall see. Right. Is this a 5? What's left? 4, 549. I just forget to mark that. I probably never made it around to it. And when I saw this 4 thermometer shenanigans over there. 459. 9 is pink. 4 is, I have no idea yet. This is going to be light blue, purple, and dark blue. So there's going to be a 6 over here, is what I'm saying. With a 3 or a 7. This is going to have an 8. One of these will have an 8. This has an 8. Now this has an 8. Now this has an 8. Now this is red. There's a 2 or 4. This is no longer a 4. From combo, looking over at it. I still don't know which is which in terms of color, I guess. Seven. Sudoku showing it toward the top. This is not yellow. Eight is light pink. Oh. No. Is there anything else I could use in, like, as far as it can't be repeated because it's already been used in that type of clue? Only... No, I can't even use that. This could be a 6, and that could be either or. That could be a 4, and that could be a 2. They just can't be the same. So this is not red. Is that supposed to help me? Yeah. It is, isn't it? Wait. Wait, this is not red. This could be red though. This could be red. This could be red. That could be red. This could be red. That could be red. One of these is red. Oh wait, no. That could be red too. What is this? Those two are the same. These two are the same. What am I doing? It's one of those. Not quite sure. This is a 5 or 6 only. A light blue or dark blue only. What about here? 1, 2, 3. This could be 4, 5, 6. Right, that's all that's left. Alright, I'm overlooking something then. 3. 3 is in one of these. Now 3 goes there. Now we get 5. Is that a 3 only? For some reason I doubt that. Still goes somewhere. 1 could go there or there. It was not a 3 only. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 5 only though, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yeah. So 1, 3, 9. So that's a 9 only now. And this is a 1, 3 looking down. And now 9 is pink. 1 is yellow. Six. 2. It's down here. Wow. It's 9 is here. 5, 4. Now we're doing. Oh, and now we've stopped. 5 is blue. 9 is pink. 4 is a color. This one was this one. Was this one? Cannot be that one. I still don't know, do I? That is wild. Oh, there was that pink line. Did finish on a 1, that's good. I'm overlooking something in the sea of color. That is a 3, 7. And it is a purple. Because the brown one is there. So this one is brown. That one is purple. Is that going to be interesting? This is light blue. This is not. These are purple and brown. 3. What else goes here? Where's 5 at? 5 is right here. So we got a 6 there. 5 there. Hey, we get a crafty dot. It's a 3. We finally have our purples and browns sorted. So this is 2, 4, 6 along the bottom up here. 2, 6, 2, 4. Have a 2, 6 combo, 4, 6 combo, 2, 4 combo, 1, 3 combo. I can't even tell where I'm missing still. Oh, is it gonna be these 2? Or this one? If this is 4, can this... what am I thinking? What is going on? 2, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. Cannot be that one. It cannot be that one. This is red. So this is red. So 2. 2 is red. This is 2. So this is 2. That is 4. That is 6. Alright. Wow. And that I found pretty difficult. It was a very good puzzle. Many a challenge. Throughout the entire thing, I might add. All the way to the very end there. That was very nice by Belamis. Called Breadcrumbs. Check it out for yourself in the link below. Look, I'm gonna get stuck here at the very end. For what? I think I just have too many colors on this thing now. 4, 4, 4. What is going to solve this? 1, 3, 7. What is going to solve this? Some line? Some box? Oh, what the heck? This is 1, 3. got this 6 in there. Let me get some of these out of here. This is blue. This is green. Green. 2s are all red. I don't know how adding more color is supposed to help me see through the color, but you know. What am I not seeing here? Honestly. Am I forgetting a rule? Do we have something hiding? Did I do it wrong? Why are those uncovered? Without a digit in them. Oh, I hope I didn't goof here. It was looking like all the fog was deleting as I went. What are these fog squares still on there for? One, two, three, four. This is a 3-7. A 3-7. 1, 3. This is that one, that one, that one. Or no, wait. Oh my gosh, that got so bright. What in the world? Are these wrong? They can't be wrong, right? What is, oh, what is this? What is this? A cell with arrows pointing inward must be smaller than all other cells. These are pointing inward, aren't they? Those are 3, aren't they? Oh no, they can't be the same. There is a cell somewhere that has arrows. A cell with arrows pointing inward must be smaller than all other cells that share its edge. If this was a 7, that would not be true. If this was a 3, it would be. This one, however, it will not be smaller. So this is a 3. Because it has to have 1. Oh my gosh. That was so good. Scared the crap out of me though. Not gonna lie. That was a very awesome puzzle there by Belamis. Check it out yourself, link below. Like and subscribe if you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one. Bye bye.